Hello everyone, I am Dr. Richa Saronke. I am practicing in Nasik as a consultant dermatologist, and today I am speaking to you on behalf of Dermavidya and Access to Dermatology, and I will be speaking on vitiligo and various camouflage techniques for the same. So vitiligo or COD is a common disorder in India, commonly found as white spots on your skin. What is the pathogenesis or cause of vitiligo? Basically, it's an autoimmune disease. Autoimmune meaning your white blood cells or the defense cells are getting confused and attacking your own body. In vitiligo, it is attacking your skin color cells or melanin pigments. Because of that, it is getting killed and the color is not able to form. The treatment modalities are immunosuppressants in most of the cases, which is normalizing your WBC cells. In certain cases, about 5% or lesser patients, the vitiligo does not respond to treatment at all because your immunity is so florid, it comes back again and again, and the treatment toxicities overwhelm the disease and you are not able to seek treatment. In those cases, you can resort to cosmetic camouflage. These conditions or the resistant vitiligo is commonly seen on your tips of finger, lip vitiligo, and certain bony areas of body which does not respond to treatment well. So if it is a localized vitiligo and you need camouflage, you can just go for a cosmetic temporary camouflage technique, which is simply certain makeup product which match your skin tone. Always go for a waterproof and sweat-proof makeup product so that it stays for long, you are not embarrassed or conscious about it, and you can reapply whenever you need to. There are certain cosmetic camouflage which are permanent and semi-permanent. These are usually called as micropigmentation technique, in which the doctor is through a machine and a technique going to implant a pigment which matches your skin tone in the upper skin layer of your vitiligo patch. So this usually stays for a year or two, and it can be done for localized cases or multiple 2-3 patches. It's a small procedure, a daycare procedure, and it stays for 1.5 years easily, and it does give a satisfactory and gratifying result. The benefits would be no need to touch up and no need to daily do the makeup. The drawbacks would be a repeated doing a cosmetic camouflage or a machine technique sometimes causes scarring, and the pigment uptake is not so natural sometimes. Other factors would be temporary camouflage is easy to apply, it's cheaper. A cosmetic permanent camouflage is usually expensive as it's an in-clinic procedure. All said, camouflage is always a choice by the patient. It is not something which is compulsory and should be done by everyone. You can just wear your vitiligo proudly because this is not something which is impacting your body. This is just skin deep, and only if it makes you socially conscious or embarrassed, you should go for camouflage. Otherwise, always going for camouflage is something which is completely your choice. Be confident about your skin and vitiligo. That would be my advice. Thank you so much.
For more such videos, visit or log into dermavidya.com.